So I love a good cookie jar to keep your cookies in. It just says, hey, come take me. I'm a delicious cookie. Hey everybody, welcome to our bubble. My name is Katie. So glad to have you here with me today. We are in Central Kentucky Zone 6B and it is chilly today. We've been at 75, 80 degrees and today it's 55. So I wanted some kind of springy, just cookie that makes me think of spring and summer, and lemons are wonderful. So I love lemons and we're gonna make some cookies today. Our ingredients are really simple. You actually only need one lemon. We have some baking soda. We need 1 egg, a cup and a half of sugar, 3 cups of flour, and we need 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks. And I forgot to get mine out of the refrigerator, so they're actually in the oven melting. Our oven is set at 375. So let's just go on and get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to zest our whole lemon. We need around 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon zest. I prefer about 2. Sometimes lemon zest can be a little strong, but it definitely helps our cookies taste like lemon. So don't leave this step out. It is most important. So look how lovely. It's just so light and fluffy. And we're gonna put this right in our mixing bowl. So the next thing we're gonna wanna do is we are going to wanna put in our stick of butter. Then we're gonna add in our sugar. This is a cup and a half of sugar. The next step is to add in our lemon. You're welcome to use just lemon juice as well. You need around 2 tablespoons. A half of a lemon is close to a tablespoon. So these are seedless. And we're just gonna squeeze them right in there. Now we're gonna mix in our egg. We're adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda. My measuring spoons are dirty, so this is a standard teaspoon. And then we have 3 cups of flour. Now our flour we are going to gradually add in. Make sure everything's well mixed before we start adding in the flour. We're gonna keep our mixer on low so it doesn't go up in a big puff. Don't get a big cloud of flour. You get to scrape down your sides a little bit. Make sure to get all that flour in there. And then 1 quick spin. Now that we're all mixed up, got to get our cookie sheet ready. And then we've got, I'm starting with another half a cup of sugar. And this is to roll our little cookie balls in. Now, your dough is a little gooey. I would suggest using a spoon. But we don't want to start with a whole lot. These will spread out. These will spread out on the cookie sheet. We just want to make a tiny ball and then kind of give it a loving little pat on your cookie sheet. I love lemon. It is one of my favorite things. I always loved lemon as a kid. I was the kid that was eating if we went out to eat, my parents got tea, I was the kid eating the lemon off of the top of their tea. Lemon has some great qualities that I think a lot of people don't realize, especially as we get older. Lemon helps with the absorption of things like collagen, which is great for your skin, hair, nails, joints. And it also helps with the absorption of iron. These cookies are great. I swear they're like a portable lemonade. They are absolutely delicious. We're going to pop these in the oven for around 15 minutes. I love a good cookie jar to keep your cookies in. It just says, hey, come take me. I'm a delicious cookie. But cookies do tend to dry out in a cookie jar. So years ago as a kid, one of my best friends, her mother used to put either the heel of her bread or just a little chunk of bread into her cookie jar. So we are going to do that today. And what this does, you don't have to use special bread. Store-bought bread is fine, especially if you don't eat the heel. Chuck it in your cookie jar. It doesn't get moldy or anything. It will dry out and actually moisten your cookies. These are a great little cookie. They are crispy. They are light and lemony. They do remind me a little bit of like the lemon Girl Scout cookies. If you guys try and make these, leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you guys. But until then, I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.